Just wanted to ask you, among the youngsters, which side, which party or alliance is moving a little ahead of the others?
I mean,
Anything can happen still.
yeah, I mean, from like popular perspective, I've seen it's mostly right wing right now from among my friends, especially. But I'm not towards that side, so I have a different opinion.
Okay.
Yeah, so
So you're constantly arguing with them.
yeah, it's like a 8v1, 20v1 every time.
What? 80?
8 versus 1 every time. It's
8
like,
versus 1.
yeah, so
And your friends are moving which direction? Are they going to go with Modi? Are they going to go with the opposition? Or?
Modi, I guess, because most of the youngsters are influenced by what their parents do.
Is that true? I thought
Yeah,
you youngsters were
100%.
independent.
now people are not independent.
Not really?
I've seen it's mostly hierarchical, the ideologies. Even for me, honestly, because I've grown up in that environment. So
You're influenced by that.
yeah, definitely influenced. But then when I look at it, I form a personal opinion and see what.
So, just last question.
Yeah.
What is the most important issue for youngsters in this election?
Because I am very privileged, I wouldn't feel what the general public wants. But the fact that there's a lot of religious hatred and casteism, and it is growing, that is something that I do not like. Like, I mean, stereotyping any group is bad. I feel that shouldn't be there. Except that if a government is working for the country, it's fine. But then they should not leave like an ideological imprint on people, force it on them. That's all.
Are you worried about jobs?
Yeah, like placement, obviously, like there's recession like due to COVID, and so that's the most important for people, I guess.
In this election, which among the youngsters, which side is moving a little ahead of the others?
In my opinion, BJP has been taken over all through the media, and what we see, the options are not visible to us.
Right.
There is a thing that all the options aren't visible to us, and we don't know. We think like don't exist, but actually they do exist, but we are not aware about them, and they don't have such a PR thing to convey us those things. My opinion is like we should focus on the local things, local needs, and choose as much as youngsters we can bring into politics, like whatever we can do.
So, what do you think of the media these days?
So first thing about talking about journalism, there is one law that is passed like DPDP Act recently. Media ka aspect, their coverage aspect has been reduced, like they can't reach anyone's personal space. There's a new provision over there in 2023 and DPDP 2023 and DPDP 2022. The amendment has reduced the power of media.
He's quite very well informed, I must say. Very well, proud of you.
You want to pursue UPSC exam, so that's why he's
But
prepared.
he knows his stuff. Who's ahead at the moment among your friends? I mean, it's very difficult to say.
So according to me, right now I am currently rooting for BJP because according to me, if there is not a single person, according to me, in against of BJP who is capable of taking the responsibility of the country, according to me.
This is what I was talking about.
That is your opinion.
But I like it, the two opposing opinions are sitting next to each other. Good things of life.
Yes. According to me, if there is any particular person who is capable of defeating Modi and have all the knowledge and how to be responsible and control the whole country, I will definitely give vote to that person. But according to me, I am not going to vote for Rahul Gandhi right now. I don't think he's a good. He can be a good leader right now in the country.
What about you? What is the main issue for you? What's your worry?
Actually, it is the division in society, may it be religion or on the basis of like what the person is earning. There are many issues related to religion in our country also. Like the minorities feel we cannot state that they are wrong or any other religion is wrong. Actually, they are facing some issues. That's why they are reacting upon that.
No, but who's ahead among your friends? Who's a little bit ahead?
Now current situation, if we analyze, then we easily can watch that BJP is ahead of all other parties. Like current situation के अंदर देखे तो like only the PM capable for PM is the only Modi, I think so, and none other parties that have kind such of leader.
And that is true, I agree. PM Modi is a better leader than anybody in terms of foreign leadership, maybe. As far as I know, I see him as a great leader of foreign leadership and defense. I would say people should vote on things like these local aspects and choose more younger and younger generation to promote these things. As far as we are talking about who is way ahead and who is going to be winning these elections, so there is no competition. I guess the competition is very much towards the side of BJP.
According to me, like in UP, Bihar, we generally divide, the votes are divided on the basis of caste, according to me. Like people prefer to prefer a leader of their own caste and their own creed, so that he will represent them. But according to me, you should select a candidate who is much aware of their responsibility and have the potential. We should not select any candidate in like on the basis of his caste or creed. Like it is very much I think happening in UP and Bihar, and it should not happen.
That's why we are proud of you youngsters. You're much better than
It's
us.
also happening in Rajasthan also.
Yes.
I can easily see, like, I am not a voter until last year, but I can easily see, like, in my family also, like they are voting for that person who is from overcaste.
In this election, how many of you will vote?
I can't vote because I am so far from home. Yeah.
This is a big issue. Even with the migrants from this area, they can't vote
Yeah.
because they're in Bombay.
Huh.
Something needs to be done about that.
Like I read an article today about it. Like IIT Madras, some professors are working on it. Like whatever where you can, but you can vote easily from everywhere.
You would like that?
I would like that. Like I read it today article.
Well, happy birthday. Whose birthday? Happy birthday. God bless you. In your circle, who's little ahead in this election?
See, in our state, I mean, I'm from Telangana. See, in our state, INC is forward because now present ruling government is in Telangana is INC. I am from Andhra Pradesh. We go towards NDA.
Are you from Andhra? Then you Telangana. Sorry. Okay, tell us why did KCR go down so suddenly?
The people who got bored by, I mean, he was not doing much more things, and he got opposite in employees, mainly in teachers.
In Telangana, who is ahead right now in the Lok Sabha?
In Congress.
Congress is ahead.
Yes.
So you're saying in Andhra, Jagan Reddy will not be ahead?
Because he is focusing mainly on the farmer sides, and he's not.
There are no IT companies in
importance on
Andhra
IT
Pradesh.
companies. As previously,
He's just distributing the money to the people.
As previously, Chandrababu Naidu has increased IT sector much more in Hyderabad also. Not concentrating on the IT companies, so it's a downfall for AP state.
KTR have developed IT sector in Hyderabad very much. Many companies have came into Hyderabad, like Amazon and Google also, I think so. It came for Hyderabad.
Now, women are more intelligent than boys. So let's hear what you have to say.
I am from Telangana, so I would say since KCR struggled in the beginning, many of the people believed him. So for the first 5 years, he developed little. And I think KTR developed the Telangana very much in IT sector. But for the last year, I mean for the first 5 years it was okay. And the next 5 years, it was not much good.
Why? What was wrong?
Like they ignored many of the problems.
Like regarding this education, mainly in overall India also, it is literally too very less literacy rate in Telangana, and so people want to see change in Telangana.
Very interesting. One last thing, raise your hands who say NDA first, then I'll ask you India. Who do you think is going to win? NDA? Who do you think? Raise your hands who think. NDA. NDA 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And how many feel India, matlab Congress, and how many feel, raise your hands if you think Congress. So nobody feels India will, so nobody is backing India here. Okay, got it. Thank you so much. Which side is ahead, BJP NDA or India
I would say I'm supporting BJP right now. Most people around us are supporting BJP.
I think people surrounding us are more attached to the Banaras, and they have seen the development in the Banaras and what things they have done. So I think that could be the reason.
I think Ram Mandir has been the main reason for BJP support nowadays. Yeah.
Mostly NDA.
NDA,
Yeah.
BJP. Why?
Instagram trend like Sanatan Dharm, Modi helped a lot. So most of my friends are Hindus basically. So we kind of tend to support Modi in that way.
So in this election, I think BJP NDA will lead. I think 60-40.
60-40. So
Yeah.
not miles ahead, but a little.
Yeah, I think so because television, what we saw is actually that it seems like that BJP is doing more than 90%. But I think it's not the real case. I think.
What do you feel?
No, I feel same because although if I talk UP, Bihar, Delhi, Bengal, not Bengal, so NDA is far ahead than other. I would say 70-30. Yeah. In these three states. In these 3-4 states in the belt. So.
And you?
I think India Alliance will lead in this election.
India Alliance may be ahead.
Yeah.
Why do you feel that?
Because 34% of voters are going to support, almost 34-32% of voters are going to support BJP NDA. But if you calculate the totality, then most of the people go through the coalition of the India Alliance. So they will lead, I think.
Why do people support India and why do people support BJP?
Actually, I think unemployment is a major factor. Youths are going with India Alliance.
In principle or at the policy level, I personally think that BJP is not doing much. They are just they're pumping the show to lucrate or to influence these kind of voters. That I think.
So is Ram Mandir very important, not very important in this election? What is it?
So in this election, it's going to play the vital role. I think so because the people are of the mindset. Once I told my maid who is cooking food in my home. She was just, she just watched her screen and just say Prabhu Ram and all every time. And she just told me that I want to visit once to Ayodhya and it's a great thing for us. So these things, although I am very much, I am concurrent with him that unemployment is the big reason. Even there are various things which should be in place, but that's not fixed. But this government has projects various things which are emotionally trigger the people, like temple, like 370, like Sanatan Dharm. So various things are there which trigger the people, and this means a lot for them. So I think
very interesting.
Yeah,
being very analytical, I must say. Are you sure you're IIT or you're political science?
NDA. So because it goes on root problems like India Alliance basically discuss about casteist things, caste census and that sort of thing. But the BJP is like focused more on development.
You want to say something? None of you want to speak. In your circle, who's moving ahead? The NDA Alliance or the India Alliance, and why? Say whatever's in your mind.
We have no idea.
No idea?
Not that interested in politics, so I can't tell you. I won't comment.
You also know?
Actually, honestly, BJP NDA as my friends support more, and even I support BJP NDA more.
For what reason is it?
First of all, the kind of work that they're doing, it's not like the other government did not do the work, but they're being very vocal about it. People are getting to know what work they're doing. So that kind of makes a huge impact. Like if you're vocal, if you if you're being seen by people, you will be in the highlights. Yeah.
So, what do you think of the media these days?
Media these days, I don't think media has Earlier media used to be unbiased, but nowadays from my parents and everybody I'm hearing that media is not as unbiased as it used to be. It is some of the news channels are aligned towards one particular party, others are aligned towards one other particular party, so it seems like media is not as unbiased as it used to be.
Where are you from?
I'm from Jaipur, Rajasthan.
Jaipur, Rajasthan.
Yeah.
And you vote the way your parents tell you or independently?
Independently. Independently, I see them and I see other people around me, so yeah, I form my own opinions. Yeah.
According to me, as a youth of this country, the development and the rate at which the country has developed and the wave of nationalism and follow for and interest in our culture has developed. I am very inspired by this, and according to me as a youth of this country, I would like to have this government because I have seen the development. Means from childhood, I have lived 20 years of my life, but since childhood the rate of development in this government, be it Vande Bharat, be it in space sector, be in military, and be it global recognition of our country has just understood its culture. So by understanding its culture and by empowering it, any country can go ahead.
Has your family always voted BJP? And
no, since in 2014, I know that my family voted for Congress. But in 2019, I just compelled them to vote for BJP because.
Okay.
Yes.
So you convinced them.
Yes, because
You youngsters are very smart.
They were just living in that old era of Congress, and my grandparents also. They still believe in Congress.
But you convinced them.
Yes.
Okay.
And
Thank you so much.
I will cast my first vote in this year.
Okay. Yes. First time voter. Good luck. Good luck.
एक्चुअली मुझे लगता है कि जो पार्टी अच्छा काम करे वही जीतेगी. मतलब अगर बीजेपी अच्छा प्रोग्रेस कर रही है इंडिया में तो बीजेपी जीत सकती है. और ये है कि मतलब जैसे अभी के मतलब हिसाब से लोगों को सबसे ज़्यादा चाहिए जॉब्स, तो जो पार्टी ज़्यादा जॉब्स प्रोवाइड करे वो विन करेगी. जैसे कि अभी का जो यूथ है उनको मेन फोकस है जॉब के ऊपर, तो जो पार्टी सबसे ज़्यादा जॉब्स.
So which party is better at giving jobs?
आई थिंक बेटर तो दोनों ही हैं, बट
स्लाइटली बेटर. हु इज
स्लाइटली बेटर? जैसे कि अब आपने तो फंसा दिया मुझे. बट फिर भी बीजेपी भी अच्छा है, कांग्रेस भी अच्छा है. अब देखते हैं जिसके मतलब.
डोंट बी डिप्लोमेट.
ओके.
आगे थोड़ा कौन सा है? हु इज स्लाइटली बेटर एट जॉब्स?
आई थिंक जैसे कि मैं राजस्थान से हूँ प्रॉपर, तो राजस्थान में आई थिंक कांग्रेस ज़्यादा अच्छी है जॉब के मामले में. या बीजेपी भी अब देखते हैं, जैसे कि बीजेपी की नई गवर्नमेंट आई है तो वो कैसे जॉब्स प्रोवाइड करती है, देखते हैं उनका. और बाकी यूपी में तो योगी जी अच्छे हैं. यूपी में तो
I hope for Congress, India.
You think they're a little ahead? Why?
Because they are good at everything. Like currently the BJP is doing the polarization. Like, and if you look at the current employment, it's very like there is no such hope for the youth, right? So if the Congress is coming, we have hope. Like employment will increase.
So jobs is an important issue? Or?
Definitely, it's a very big issue. And we are youth. We will graduate in 1 or 2 months. But there is no companies coming here. Like recession is there, and government there is no proper vacancy in the government sectors. They are not releasing the proper vacancies. But the Congress is like in their manifesto they are saying that they will give 30 lakhs jobs. And if you're checking the past or the history, we can see that Congress did a much better.
देखिए कोई भी सरकार आती है वो समाज के लिए तो काम करती है, लेकिन उसमें ये कि ये नौकरी की थोड़ा बेरोजगारी ज़्यादा है. बस यही एक फैक्टर है, तो लोग थोड़े नाखुश हैं. लेकिन ये इतना बड़ा फैक्टर नहीं है कि लोग सब कुछ छोड़ के फिर किसी और को वोट देते हैं.
रिलीजन सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट
नहीं, रिलीजन तो इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं. मतलब ये तो एक प्रोपोगेंडा है. पिलर्स होते हैं किसी भी डेमोक्रेसी के, तो आइडियोलॉजी के, तो वैसा.
आप क्या समझते हैं?
नहीं, मेरा अभी इस पर कोई ऐसा मेरा पॉलिटिक्स में उतना इंटरेस्ट है.
वेरी गुड.
To be honest, if I had to vote, I would choose none of the above. But looking at the current political spectrum and current political scenario, I think BJP is clearly ahead of all the political parties. I think the main reason is that they have a very specific set of goals and perspective of citizens. Like they know कि how to target the citizens and what they want. Even if like that is not good for citizens or not, like that is for citizens to decide. They know कि if they play their cards right, so citizens will.
And where are you from?
I'm from Bihar. I'm currently studying at IIT BHU.
It is different perspective that who is ahead or not, but from the point of democracy, I think that this the current political scenario is very serious. Here, one thing that is most needed is that the public should be very serious about this election rather being futile about these topics that is going on through different sources on different platforms. That's everybody knows. It's not about ideology, political scenario. It's about the public, and I think the awareness of the public is somehow it has been channelized in certain manner, and that's why it seems that some party is ahead and some party is below. But if you go on the ground, and you will definitely find that people are still lacking those things, despite of those claiming that we are third economic and blah blah blah, etc. But that is the scene, and I think.
So where do the youngsters get most of their news from? Television?
No, actually they are getting
media,
from the
YouTube.
They are actually getting to be very precise, their source is corrupted. I mean to say that because so much things are mixed there, right? It is not pure information, right? Getting back to those DD days and getting to these days is totally different, right? I hope I am trying to make my statement right.
Very correct.
नरेंद्र मोदी ही अभी आगे चल रहे हैं हाल फिलहाल में।
What reason?
उनका काम और यूथ में उनकी पकड़, यही सब है, और तो बेसिकली कुछ है नहीं कहने को। अभी तो फिलहाल जो है वही है।
I feel obviously PM Modi and all that.
PM Modi.
Yeah, and I support him to very hardly. Yeah.
Why?
I don't know, because of for education purpose I support him. I feel he is okay for the education purpose. That's it.